Hi, in this video we are going to see the multiple recruitment notifications from the government colleges or the institutes, guys. And the qualification required for these notifications are only post graduation. So really it will be very good news to the candidates who are having only post graduation. So UGCNET or the PhD is not at all required, guys, to the few post whatever I'm going to show you in this video. So with only post graduation, the salary is 1 lakh rupees per month, and these are all jobs from the government institutes, guys. So please share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for such type of notifications. It will be very much helpful to them. And to get the more notifications like this, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And watch this video until the end to get the complete details regarding all the institute recruitment notifications. Before going into the main content of this video, here one small announcement is that Unacademy is starting the complete courses for the NTA UGCNET preparation from 1st May 2021 onwards. So here the electronic science candidates, the complete batch is going to start from 12th May 2021 onwards. So all the interested candidates may take the subscription plan, guys. The links are kept at the description box of this video, and for more details you may watch at the end of this video. And now while coming to the present content of the video, so here you may check down, it is Translational Health Science and Technology Institute, guys. So here total I am going to show you the vacancies from the 5 institutes or the colleges. Okay, so we will see one by one. It is the Autonomous Institute of the Department of Biotechnology from Government of India, Faridabad. And here the recruitment for the teaching as well as the technical positions are open. So you may check down. So first one, principal scientist. For this one, the PhD in life science is required. And while coming to the lab manager, MSc or MTech or else the PhD in life sciences from a recognized university with 2 years of post qualification experience in the relevant field. So actually yesterday I got one comment to get the recruitment notifications on the life sciences. Okay, so based upon that one, I searched this one. But if you are having the experience, it will be very much helpful to you. And here the age limit is of 40 years and the salary is 1 lakh rupees per month. And coming to the lab technician, 50,000 rupees. The two posts are there. Age limit is the 35 years. So for this one, MSc or MTech in microbiology or biotechnology or biochemistry from a recognized university, or else the BMLIT in life sciences or microbiology from a recognized university with 2 years of post qualification relevant experience. And coming to the lab attendant, one post is there, so 20,000 rupees per month, and age limit is the 30 years. 10th or 12th with science as a subject from a recognized board with 1 year of post qualification experience. The last date for receipt of online application form is 28th June 2021. And few general terms and conditions are given, guys. So you may check down and how to apply. So all these things are given. So a soft copy of your passport size photo and signature and all these things you have uploaded in the online application form, guys. So here the application fee is 500 rupees and 200 rupees and the 100 rupees based upon the different caste categories, guys. And I will provide this link in the description box of this video. So you may go to the online application form and fill up all the relevant details, guys. Okay, it is the first one. And coming to the second recruitment notification. Okay, so advertisement format, it is for the call for a junior research fellowship for AR and DB project. So it is released on 4th June 2021 and applications are invited from suitable candidates for JRF, okay, DRDO under the supervision of Dr. Anil, Department of Mathematics from BITS Pilani, Hyderabad campus. And the title of the project is Development and Application of Mesh-Free Adjoint Approach for Aerodynamic Shape of Optimization. Duration of project is 16 months and 31,000 rupees plus HRA also you will get every month. And BTech or MTech, that means eligibility criteria, BTech or MTech in aerospace or computer science engineering or else the MSc in mathematics. Candidate should have good academic background with proven knowledge in parallel programming based on the MPA or CUDA. The last date is 16th June 2021 and you have to send the details to the provided mail ID. Okay, you may check down, guys. No TADA will be provided. And so it is a Birla Institute of Technology and Science from Hyderabad campus. Fine. And while coming to the next one is MS. So it is MS Swaminathan Research Foundation. So it is the next one. So the senior research fellow, PhD scholar or the project associate 2. Okay. So the foundation works in the area of natural resource management, biodiversity, biotechnology, food, nutrition and livelihood security, skill and capacity development. Okay. So you may visit the official website of this one, and here regarding the project and the job description is given here. The candidate will be directly involved addressing specific research questions and hypotheses in collaboration with the other Swiss and Indian. Plus, successful candidates can register for the PhD in nearby university. Fine. So it is opportunity. And minimum qualification is MSc in plant or microbial biology or biotechnology, preferably with NET qualification. And the desirable qualification is also given MSc in the agriculture or plant or microbial biology, like that. And the remuneration is 35,000 rupees plus 24% HRA you will get, and the duration is 4 years, guys. So one position is there, and the mode of application is you have to send the application before the last date to the given mail ID, and the last date is 30th June 2021. And here the location is also given here, Puducherry, India. And I will provide this link also in the description box of this video, guys. And coming to the next one, it is the faculty fellowship program, TIHAN from IIT Hyderabad. So whoever the faculty you are from all over the India, and if you are interested to do the research work, okay, in these areas, check out the areas: autonomous vehicles and intelligent transportation system, testing and validation of autonomous navigation system, simulators for autonomous vehicle, security aspects of AV and AI or ML frameworks for automation, autonomous navigation, ADAS system, communication networks and connected vehicle environments. So if you belongs to any one of these research areas, then you may apply to this fellowship program, guys. Maximum age limit is 45 years, and you have to get no objection certificate from your working organization. And the fellowship amount you will get 25,000 rupees per month up to 2 years you will get, and the annual contingency is 5 lakh rupees. So if you are interested, you may apply through this form is given, guys. Okay, Google form is given. You need not to pay any fee here. Okay, so it is a faculty fellowship program. Okay, so it is a wonderful opportunity. If you belongs to any one of this research area, you may apply by your own, guys. Okay, and coming to the next one is IHUB. Okay, IIITD Foundation. So from this one also here we got executive assistant one post, and the job profile is given here. So for this one, the educational qualification required is graduation degree in any discipline, and experience preferably 1 to 4 years of relevant experience. So the desirable is excellent communication skills and work experience. Okay, and so these are the desirable skills are given. You may check down. The monthly consideration salary, consolidated salary will be in the range of 35 to 50,000 rupees per month. Initial period of appointment will be 1 year from the date of joining. It may be extendable based upon the performance. Okay, and while coming to the age limit is less than the 30 years. Fine. Few general instructions are given here, guys. So how to apply means you have to apply through the online, guys, and it is a link given here. And the last date for application is 20th June 2021 by 5 o'clock evening. Fine. So these are all the different recruitment notifications for the post-graduation candidates, guys. Okay, so whatever the department you belongs to, then you may apply to that one. And don't forget to share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for such type of notifications. It will be very much helpful to them. And to get the more notifications like this, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, here one announcement follows. So listen, guys. Hi, myself I am Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy educator of Electronic Science as well as the General Paper 1. And all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET, okay, NTA UGC NET, here the Unacademy is providing the multiple courses for the candidates who are preparing for the NTA UGC NET. So here I am going to show you the list. Actually, the University Grants Commission is conducting every year twice the National Eligibility Test exam for the 81 subjects. So out of the 81 subjects here, for few subjects, Unacademy is providing the complete course, including the free online classes also, guys. So here I will give you the complete details regarding that one. So first of all, we will see what are the different subjects are providing by the Unacademy for the NTA UGC NET. Means commerce and general paper on teaching, management, computer science and application, political science, history, economics, practice and strategy, sociology, labor welfare, English, language and education, geography, law, Hindi, psychology, public administration, electronic science, environmental science, home science and philosophy, tourism, admin and management, mass communication and journalism, Sanskrit, Punjabi and anthropology. So these are the different subjects where the Unacademy is providing the courses, guys. Okay, and from each and every course you will get the free online classes as well as the paid courses also you will get. So I will show you how to access. Here the few top educators are there, guys, okay, which are going to give you the wonderful knowledge. Okay, and you can download the class PDFs also, okay, regarding the different subjects, okay, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the UGC NET JRF, guys. And coming to my profile, okay, so myself, I'm Ashwini Kumar, as I already told you, educator of electronic science as well as a general paper 1. So it is my profile link. Okay, so whatever the subject you belongs to, just click on that one and then you will be directed to that particular subject educator's profile link. And if you scroll down, you will get the special classes. Okay, the special classes are completely free, guys, that anybody can able to access this one. And just click on this see all. Whatever the free classes or the special classes I did up to now, okay, you can able to access all the special classes. So actually here I did the special classes on the, free classes on the general paper 1 as well as the electronic science previous year questions, okay, that you may check down here one by one. And whatever the interesting or else whatever your needed topic is there, okay, just click on that one and then you will be directed to the video, guys. So you will get like this, and if you click on this watch now, then you will be directed to the online classes. Okay, but before that one, you have to create your account by providing the mail ID as well as your contact number. Fine. So to watch the special classes, it is completely free. You need not to pay any amount, guys. And if you want to get the complete course as per the UGC syllabus and each and everything, okay, which are helpful to crack your JRF, nothing but a paid courses. So here the two different types of subscriptions are there. One is the plus subscription and second one is the iconic subscription. And you may check down the difference here. In the plus subscriptions, you will get the, almost you will get the India's best educators are there in the Unacademy. Okay, you will be provided with the doubt clarifying sessions also, interactive live classes, and you can download the PDFs and the live test and the quizzes. And coming to the iconic subscription, interactive live classes, PDFs and the live test and quizzes, just as like the plus. Apart from this one, you will get the personal coach and personalized doubt solving and preparatory study material, SOP, and the interview preparation. Okay, so all these things you will get additional in the iconic subscriptions. Okay, so while coming to the plus subscriptions, okay, we will see the different plans here. You may check down, guys, the different plans. For 1 month, 2,900, and for 3 months, 2,823, and for 6 months. Okay, these are the charge per 1 month, and if you want to get the 6-month subscription plan, you have to pay 11,250, and for 12 months 13,750, and for 24 months 20,000. Okay, so depending upon your requirement, you may take any one of the subscription plan here. Okay, if you want the 3 months, or else if you want the 6 months, or else if you want the 12 months. Okay, so based upon when you are planning to write the exam, okay, so based upon that one, you may take any one of the subscription plans here. And out of these different subscription plans, you will get some discount also. So it is my referral code ASWINIK. So use my referral code and then click on the apply and then proceed to pay. Then you will get the 10% discount on any one of these subscription plans. Okay. So the subscription link as well as my profile link, both these two I will put in the description box of this video, guys. You may check down. And apart from this one, the electronic science new batch course is already started from 12th May onwards. So all the interested candidates may take the subscription plan, and this course runs up to 3 months, guys. That means from May 12th to August 12th. So the complete UGC NET electronic science syllabus will be discussed here in detail by keeping in mind the previous year NTA UGC NET question papers also, which will be very much helpful for you to crack the UGC NET JRF. Okay, so already the previous batches, okay, so many candidates cracked the JRF and a few candidates are getting the admission into the PhD admission in the IIT also. So you may check down my dedications in my profile link. So it is my profile link, and if you click on here the dedications, okay, you may check down. So all the students are very nicely satisfied, okay, regarding the teaching as well as their preparation. Fine. So you may check down here, guys. So by looking all these things and by looking at the special classes, that means which are free, that you may check down, okay, how the classes are going on and how the live interaction will be. Okay, so based upon all these things, you may decide. And please take the subscription plan, guys, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the UGC NET JRF. Fine.